HMOs or house shares can be cash flow machines, but you have to eliminate voids. Otherwise, the money that you're hoping to get will never be realized. So on this video, I'm going to break down 3 secrets to eliminating voids and making sure that the cash flow comes to you every single month. I currently manage over 150 HMO rooms, and over the last few years, I've learned through trial and error what works, what doesn't, which platforms are best for marketing, which ones aren't as good, and how you can optimize your listings to maximize, maximize the cash flow, and of course, eliminate the all-consuming, terrible, cash flow eating voids. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 special tips that will make a huge difference in you renting out your rooms. So if that sounds good, stay tuned. And if you like content like this, smash the subscribe button for weekly content. So the UK's leading sort of house share platform has to be Spare Room, okay? And Spare Room allows you to essentially advertise your rooms to individuals, professionals, students looking for a room to let in your area. Now, I'm constantly improving, and as I scaled and had to systemize my processes and given it to my team, the feedback has been quite interesting. And there's 3 tips that have actually happened in my business this week that I think it would be really useful for me to share with you. So the first thing is it is absolutely essential on Spare Room that once, maybe even twice a week, you delete your listing and you add, well, they actually call it post ad. You can't just refresh it or renew it. You can't duplicate it. You need to delete it and start again. And the reason for this is it will put you to the top of the search results. So as you post a new ad, day by day, you will come lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. And it's going to be harder for people to see you. So make sure, whether it's you doing it, your VA, a team member, that you delete your ad and repost it at least once a week. Top tip, depending on which plan you're on, if you do this too much, you will be blocked from doing any more on your existing plan for a month. So don't overdo it. Tip number 2, and this is a game changer. A lot of people don't do this. But as you're posting your new ad, towards the end, you have the option of adding a phone number, and there's a little click box that allows you to actually show it on the listing. So what that means is a lot of the users on Spare Room don't create an account. They just scan and call because they haven't got the time. So if you've not got your number there, they're not going to be able to do that. So it's absolutely essential you put your number, and I recommend putting your first name so it seems quite personable. And I also recommend a mobile number in an ideal scenario. I've tested it. I get better results with a personal name and I get better results with a number there. So make sure that you put a phone number. Thank me later. And if you're finding this useful, smash the subscribe button. That's all I ask for weekly content. And if you want to get in touch, I check all my comments personally, so comment below and I'll answer all your questions. I might even do a video on your question if it's good. And last but not least, tip number 3, and this happened to me this week. One of my team members messed up. I actually did an audit of the ads and I realized that there was a couple of minor mistakes, easily done because it might just be one click box that you've missed. But there's a click box that says, for example, are your bills included? And no box was ticked. And of course they are. So as you can imagine, if you're scanning through and you see the bills aren't included, you might just eliminate it and not go any further. So please make sure that you check your ads, okay? Make sure that they're tight, make sure that they are reflective of your properties. And if you're outsourcing it, you must check your team's work every now and then to make sure they're doing it right and to give feedback. Okay, so I hope you found this useful. If you do these 3 things, I guarantee you will get more leads and those leads will fill your rooms. If you want more content like this, drop me a line. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at Simon Smith Online. And whatever you do, don't wait 25 years. Get creative. Introducing Creative Cashflow Plus, the first rent-to-rent app and leading platform dedicated to supporting you on your property journey. Ask the experts anything. Be held accountable so that you can smash your goals. Mastermind with other rent-to-rent specialists. Access our deal clinic to get your deals analysed by a pro. And unlock hours of videos and podcasts guaranteed to help you take your rent-to-rent business to the next level. Get the ongoing support that you deserve. Join us, Creative Cashflow Plus.